Hello everyone, welcome to AdCults. We will be going to discuss about the Netflix recommendation engine in this particular session. Before we go into the details, let's understand something about the Netflix. As all of you know, Netflix is a movie platform where anyone can go and watch movies, but there are millions of movies are available on this particular platform. And it makes sense if Netflix can recommend the movie by itself in which the user is interested or may be interested. See, so the general idea here is to make sure user is engaged with Netflix as long as possible. Great revenue generation system for Netflix. So Netflix will be earning lot of money because now you are a loyal customer for Netflix and you will be keep on buying Netflix subscription each and every month, and that is how my company will be keep on earning. There are multiple types of recommendation systems are available. So specifically speaking, Netflix uses these three types of recommendation systems: content based filtering, collaborative filtering, and hybrid filtering. Hybrid filtering is basically the combination of content based and collaborative filtering. So let's try to understand how content based and collaborative filtering is helping Netflix to give the recommendation for the users, and how basically it is helping you to get the recommendation for your favorite programs. The first one is content based filtering method. So in content based filtering method, what happens, it is basically based on your past behavior and historical analysis. Another filtering method which is available in the market is called as collaborative filtering method. So collaborative filtering method is another method which is being used by your Netflix. So in collaborative filtering, how recommendation happens is basically it uses the community behavior, or in some simple terms if I'll say, it basically checks what your friends are watching, okay, or what similar people which are having similar kind of behavior and traits like you are watching on the Netflix, and then those movies and actually those programs it will start recommending you. So these are basically the bird eye view about the Netflix recommendation system, how it is using the content based filtering and collaborative filtering together, which is a hybrid approach and has recommending you the movies from a long time. So again, so my loved ones, these are the high level ideas around the Netflix engine. I hope you all liked it, and soon we'll be creating your own Netflix, Hotstar and ZEE5 kind of portals and platform with the help of AdCults. So thank you for your time, and thanks for connecting with us. We will be expecting you again into our further classes where we will be going into details for understanding the basic level details about recommendation engines and how to create our own Netflix. Thanks a lot guys for listening to me and joining us in this particular session.